Hi, it's Mary Ellen. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. Today I have a box from the Washi Tape Shop. This is a surprise box. They like to send me these once in a while and I like to receive them. I have no idea what's inside here, so what's going to happen is I will show you everything and then I will put on the screen what it is, and then all the links will be in the description box so you can purchase them. If you use code BUMBLE10, you can get 10% off at the Washi Tape Shop, so don't forget to use that code if you plan to purchase. Let's go ahead and take a look at what I have here. So they wrap them like little presents. Aren't they cute? So I have no idea what they are. So I'm just gonna take them out one at a time and we are gonna check them out. They put the picture on them so I can kind of get a gist for what they are, but it's usually quite a surprise when I open them. There's a lot in here. Oh, kitty cats. Okay, this is everything. So let's take a look at the bigger ones first, I guess. These are packs that have multiple rolls in them. So let's see what these are. So obviously some of these are going to be holiday themed and some are not. So let's check out this one first. This looks like a Christmas theme. We have a snowman and a deer. Let's see what this is. So we have 5 rolls here, 3 of which are washi tape sticker rolls. And what these are just basically washi tape stickers on a roll. The washi tape stickers are definitely more like thin than regular stickers and easy to replace, like peel up and put back down. But we also have 2 washi tapes and these are this size. They're pretty small. So this is what they look like. So let's check these out now. So this is the first one. It's so cute. We have little Christmas treats, a snowman, house, just all sorts of really fun illustrations. So this is what I mean by washi tape sticker. So you can see it's really thin and sort of a little bit translucent, but when it gets on the paper, it is like opaque. Let me show you. So they're really easy to put down and you can peel them up super easily, and they usually don't rip the paper, but they are thinner than like regular stickers or more flimsy or something. Here's the second one. Super cute. Love the colors and love the illustrations. And then this one is going to be a little bit thicker than these, you see, and still the same style of illustrations. Really detailed and cute. I love this. Look at the house and the tree, all of that. Just so fun. So I'm going to do something that I did one other time, and I'm going to try to name these sticker sets because I haven't looked on the website yet, because like I said, I like to be surprised when I do these flip throughs or these hauls. So I'm going to try to name this set and then we'll see. I mean, you guys already have seen what's on here because I film it and then I edit it and put the name up, but I don't know the name yet. So I'm going to call this one Yuletide Greetings. That's my name. I don't think I'll be right for any of them, just so you know. Let's look at another Christmas one here. Look, there's bunnies sitting in front of a Christmas tree. How could this be bad? Oh my gosh, bunnies. I'm not naming all of these guys. You guys will have to wait until I use them in a spread, and I will try. I always forget to use my washi tape because I always go for the washi tape stickers because I always go for the sticker books, and I need to start remembering. I'll do my best. Look how adorable these are. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Look, there's a little duck too. Oh my gosh, look at that little girl in the dress. How fun is that? So cute. Again, each of these is an individual sticker, as is the whole set. They're all like that. The good thing about the washi tape sticker sets is honestly, you get so many more stickers than you would in a sticker book, I think. I don't know, maybe not, but it feels like you have a lot more. And you don't have to worry about using your favorites because there's repeats on the roll, so it's okay to use your favorites because then you get more of them. Okay, there is that couple, the bunny couple on the couch sharing the blanket. Look how cute they are. Oh my gosh. And that one is reading a book by herself with the little patchwork blanket. Look at that cute window. Aw, this is so sweet. This is a sweet sticker set. I love it. The last one also has bunnies, so I'm gonna call this one a Bunny Family Christmas. Look, that one's fast asleep in bed, dreaming of sugar plums. Sorry, that got a little messed up there. Look how cute. They're sharing a meal. They're cooking. Oh my gosh, there's a baby by the fire. Look at the baby. That's so cute. I love this. I didn't know I needed bunny stickers, but now I need them. You know? I didn't know they were missing from my life. Now my life is complete. Just kidding. Okay, so those are the 3 rolls in that one. Let's look at one that does not look like Christmas. This one has some flowers. Okay, so it looks like we have 2 washi tape rolls and then 2 rolls of stickers. Let me show you the rolls first. This is the first one. We have butterflies on like a yellow gingham pattern. So cute. You know, I love yellow, so this is adorable. Next up, we have this one with the pink flowers on the white and tiny little yellow butterflies. This one's a lot wider with these individual stickers. There's some strawberries in there, some little tags, little bows. It's very delicate, very romantic. And these are also stickers. You get a ton of really pretty watercolory butterflies. I love these. They're so cute. I'm going to call this set Butterfly Romance. Next, it looks like, I don't know, a girl riding a whale. So I don't know if this is like a mermaid kind of theme. She doesn't look like a mermaid, but I think there's going to be sea life in this one, which is really fun. Ooh, animals. You know I like animals. Maybe you don't. Maybe this is the first time you're watching my video. In case you don't, I like animals a lot. And I like animal stickers. All right. Oh, a dog. So cute. So this one has 2 rolls of washi tape stickers. The problem is opening these. Sometimes they get stuck to this part, and that is a pain. You have to be careful opening them, and when I'm opening a lot of these in a video, I'm not as careful, and then like I run into this problem. Okay, well, let's just look at it. Ignore all that. Okay, so we have a cat there. Do you see the cat? And he's like going into the basket, and then that dog. Some girls, and then we have some wild animals as well. Look at a giraffe. Oh my gosh. Sheep, ducks, and these girls. It looks like they're on the farm or something. I don't know. Or maybe this one's hiking. I'm not sure. Or that one, I don't know what she's doing. Anyway, it's really cute. I did it again. I made the same mistake. Okay. Ah, look what happened. A little cat ended up on my finger. Look at that cat. Here's what we're dealing with. This is with this one. We have a fairy. Look at that girl. And then birds, a girl riding a whale, like I said. We have a flamingo. There's a boy in there, a little fox, couple of foxes. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. There's just a lot to see there. Plants and little cats. This girl is like a cat lady. Look at her. That's really fun. I'm going to call this one Cutesy Critters. That's a terrible name. But that's what I'm naming it. I'm sure that's not even close to what it is. Okay. This one looks like flowers and letters. We have, I thought this was 2, but that is 1 roll. So we have 3 rolls of stickers. We have these floral letters. They're so pretty, and you can use them for whatever you need. There's numbers in there too. And then we have these like fall colored florals. So pretty. And then these ones have some mushrooms in them and like wildflowers. Looks like in fall colors as well. Okay, so I'm gonna name this set Fall Florals. Wah wah, very boring. Very boring. Don't ever name a set that. That's boring. But that's the one that's what I'm naming them. I'm sure they came up with a more exciting name. All right, so now we're going to the little ones, and I think these are like one tape, but let's see. Could be pet tape. Yeah, this one is pet tape, which is the tapes that are clear. Look at this. There's like Christmas quotes and trees, and they're kind of realistic. Like, look at that fireplace. Says there's no place like home for the holidays. Home, sparkle all the way. It's the most wonderful time of the year. Season's greetings. All that kind of stuff. That's like a little home theme. And these pet tapes go on for a long time with lots of designs. You can see it's still going. Wait, I think we are almost at the beginning. Yeah, look at those birds. A cardinal is a visitor from heaven. So cute, very festive. So I'm gonna call it Home for the Holidays. This one is gonna be florals. This is also pet tape. Here's what these florals look like. They have a little bit of foil, do they? No, but they're like bumpy. Can you see they're kind of bumpy? I mean, so are the other ones, I think, a little bit, but you can tell these are sort of raised. So many florals in white, light green, light purple. These are beautiful, like roses. So I'm gonna call this one Winter Rose. Okay, there's some kitty cats. Sorry, cats. Oh, I just did my nails today, and now I'm ruining them, opening these washi tapes. It's all in a day's work, you guys. Okay, so here we have some mischievous cats. Books and cats and coffee. Stay positive. Fur mama. These are so cute. Look at them. Cattail speak. Look, it tells you what the cats are saying. Easily distracted by cats. So we have some black and white cats. Live, love, meow. Cat mom. Look at that guy. Wait. Him. Look how cute he is with the smiley. You had me at meow. Wow, that is really long. It's still going. It's like black and white. I guess it goes like color for all those designs and black and white and back to color. It's so long. Like, look how much. You get so many different cats. That's so cute. I'm gonna call it Feline Fan. Yeah, Feline Fan. If you're a cat fan, if you're a feline fan, you will love this one. You can put a cat in every spread for the rest of your life. Or maybe for a long time anyway. Oh, it's worth mentioning that the pet tape is not cut into stickers. I know some of you have that question sometimes. Some pet tapes are, this one is not, so you do have to cut out the cats or cut out any designs you want. I don't find that to be annoying at all, because I just cut out what I need, but that's just me. Like, I'm okay with cutting stuff out. That's why I print stickers and cut them and stuff. I don't really care. It's all part of the process for me, and it's part of the fun. But if you don't like that, just so you know, you do have to cut those out. Bumble says hi. Here we have some beautiful girls in the flowers. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. Look at the flowers and the girls. I mean, honestly, they're fancy. They're in their PJs. They're eating. They're lounging. Look, there's a dog. It looks like Bumble, sort of. And then This one has some presents. They're on vacation. They're doing all sorts of stuff. I like that. Let's call this one Girls on the Move. They're doing stuff, you know? This says fear is a liar. So this one is really cute, girls, as well. Enjoy the now. You can do anything but not everything. Be kind to yourself. These are very encouraging quotes around these girls, or women, I should say, who are just dressed to the nines. Just, they are so freaking cool. Look at them. I want to be them. I want that kind of attitude. In fact, let's call this attitude. I'm just going to call it attitude. That's it. I should have called that other one Catitude, but I wasn't thinking, okay? Bumble has attitude right now, in case you didn't notice. Yep. All right, I better pause and deal with her attitude. She's barking at the mailman. What a classic dog thing to do. Here's another one like that Home for the Holidays one, but it's different from that one, and it's so pretty. It looks sort of like farmhousey. Look at those pretty florals with the pine cones. They're so beautiful. We have these little scenes. Oh my gosh, so cute. It keeps going on and on and on. I'm gonna call this one Farmhouse Holiday. Or Farmhouse Christmas. We have one more to show you, and this looks like another Christmas one. There's a snowman there, or maybe it's just winter. I'm not sure. Let's check it out. Oh, how cute. This is snowmen and women. It says overnight express special delivery. We have trees. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look at that section of trees there. That's so cute. And a letter to Santa. Winter blessings, some snowflakes, believe, oh holy night. Look at the little hedgehog. He's cute. And another little Christmas scene. This is cute. I love this one. We're gonna call it Let It Snow. So boring. But it makes sense. All right, so that is a lot of tapes and stickers. So thank you so much to the Washi Tape Shop for sending these to me. You guys let me know in the comments which is your favorite. And don't forget, all the links for these will be in the description box. And if you do choose to purchase anything, make sure you use the code BUMBLE10. That's gonna save you 10% off your order. That's all I have for you today. So I hope you guys have a good one, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.